Hello friends, today onwards we are going to start a new pattern type which is number patterns. So today we are going to print a square number pattern in Java in which uh, this will start from 1 and end with 5. It also print first column J, second, third, fourth. Just it will be a same pattern as my star square pattern. Okay, it is same as that, but a little bit difference is we are just seeing in our ongoing program. So first of all I am taking an input from a user n equals to 5. After that what will I do? First of all I print outer loop int less than equals to n, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. After that it is for inner columns int j equals to 1, j less than equals to n, j plus plus. So here's for the column. After that what will print in our square pattern? We are printing stars. In this we are printing just out dot print. We are printing j because we want to print our numbers. Okay, these numbers if we want to print, then we print j. Just in forward forward I will explain you how to this, why we print j. So I will run a dry code for you so you can better understand my code. Okay, after that we will print line break. Okay, so here's my program. So if I try run this code, for if for first we are printing rows, for first row I will become 1. Okay, for first I will become 1. Okay, and if I is less than equals to n, then this loop will be correct. So if I is 1, then 1 is less than equals to n. Okay, so this loop is correct, so it will start from first row. Okay, from first row it will start. After that it will came in this, if j equals to I. Okay, if j equals to 1. Okay, and j less than equals to n, if and j initially is 1, if 1 is less than equals to n, then it will print j means first initial value. Okay, it will print 1. After that what will it print? After that it will go inside this j plus plus. Okay, if j plus plus, then this will become 2. Okay, initial 1, when we plus this, okay, it will become 2. So it in this it will recheck that if 2 is less than equals to n, if it is true, then it will print 2. Why? Because at that time the j value is now become 2. After that it after that it again came in this, then 2 become 3. This it will become 3, then the initial value is 3. If 3, okay, j value is 3, if j is less than equals to n. Okay, so it is right, 3 is less than equals to 5. Okay, then it will again print 3. Okay, after that it will again plus, it will become 3 will become 4. It will again check this. Okay, it will again check this, it will print again. After that it will again go, 4 will become 5 and its initial value is 5, and the 5 is not less than n, but it is equals to n, so it will print 5. Okay, after that it will become 6. Okay, is 6 is less than equals to n? No, it is false. Then it will break this loop and go to this loop. Now it will become 2. This I will become now 2. Okay, I will become 2. So it will again printing from second row. So second row it will again become print 1, 2, 3 4 5. Okay, this loop is false, then it will came in this and it will become 3, then it will print for third row. So here dry run. Okay, so that's the way how this pattern will going to print this type of pattern. Okay, if you like this video or understand my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, so it will beneficial for me to making more informative video like this to you. So thank you.